Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TeslaFi vehicle data, complete guide step by step clearly. To download TeslaFi vehicle data, start by opening a web browser on your device. Go to the TeslaFi website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you can see your vehicle data. Locate the Data Export section, typically found in the Settings or Tools menu. Click on the Data Export option to proceed. You will see various data download options available, including trip data, charging statistics, and more. Select the specific type of data you wish to download. Choose the date range for the data you want to export. Be sure to review any additional settings related to the data format preferred, such as CSV or Excel. Once your selections are made, click on the Download button to initiate the export process. A prompt may appear to confirm your download preferences. Confirm the download and wait for the process to complete. Your data will typically be packaged in a zip file that your browser will save. Check your Downloads folder for the newly created file. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to it and unzip the folder if necessary. Open the exported files using a compatible application, such as Excel or a text editor. You can now analyze your Tesla vehicle data as needed. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer back to TeslaFi's help section for troubleshooting. Feel free to explore additional features and options available on TeslaFi for further insights into. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.